Yes. Sri P.P. Malhotra, learned additional Solicitor General, appearing on behalf of the CBI, has contended that it would be in the interest of a fair trial to transfer the cases to a competent criminal court in Delhi. It was urged that proceeding with the trial in Manipur is likely to cause further social unrest as well as communal tensions, which could ultimately have an adverse impact on the integrity of the criminal trial. It was urged that there existed a real danger of the accused being physically attacked during the pendency of the trial. Furthermore, there was also the danger of witnesses being intimidated and the undue harassment of the victims' families. In the proceedings before us, the Council, appearing on behalf of the state of Manipur, has not objected to the directions sought by CBI. In fact, the state government has taken a positive stand that looking at the situation prevalent even today, it cannot guarantee the safety of the respondent accused. However, the near relatives of the deceased persons have objected to the transfer of the cases under Section 406 of CRPC. One line of reasoning taken by these parties was that the investigating agencies have exaggerated the apprehensions about the social unrest and the law and order problems which may arise if the trial were to proceed in Manipur. In the written submissions, it has been suggested that the predictions about communal tension and a physical attack on the accused are misplaced, and that the police and judicial system in Manipur are robust enough to prevent undue interference with the criminal trial. It was further suggested that there are some other unexplored angles in relation to the killings of the 3 government employees, and that the transfer of the case away from Manipur was being sought at the behest of some corrupt local officials. We do not find any merit in the latter line of reasoning. In this scenario, in our considered view, it would be expedient in the ends of justice to conduct the trial in Delhi. We accordingly direct that the impugned cases be transferred from the court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate Manipur to a designated CBI court in New Delhi. Since there are 52 cited witnesses, CBI has undertaken to arrange for their travel between Manipur and Delhi so as to facilitate recording of their testimonies and subsequent cross-examination during trial. It must be remembered that the right of cross-examination is an essential element in the course of a criminal trial. As far as the near relatives of the deceased persons are concerned, we understand that the physical distance between Manipur and Delhi may cause some hindrance to their participation in the proceedings, but the transfer of the case is essential in light of the considerations discussed above. In order to protect their interests, we direct the CBI as well as the Government of Manipur to render full assistance to the victims' legal heirs in the matter of legal representation by way of engaging advocates of their choice. Stop.